Remember that era, when owning a BlackBerry in your hand was a status symbol? That physical keyboard, that LED notification light, and that premium feel. But in the touchscreen era, BlackBerry almost disappeared. But now, the brand is making a comeback. And this time, in a whole new avatar. BlackBerry is bringing back its iconic key model, with modern features while keeping the old-school nostalgia alive. The new model is rumored to be called the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. But will this phone win back the hearts of loyal BlackBerry fans? Let's dive into the details. Features of the BlackBerry Key 3 5G. Design and display. First up, the design. This phone will look similar to the BlackBerry Key 2, but with a modern twist. You'll get a 4.9-inch display, the legendary physical keyboard, and that iconic LED notification light. And this time, the display will come with a 90 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling buttery smooth. Camera setup. The camera department is set to impress. The phone is expected to feature a 100-megapixel dual rear camera, capturing ultra-detailed and crisp photos. For selfie lovers, there's a 12-megapixel front camera, to make your shots look stunning. Performance. Under the hood, the BlackBerry Key 3 5G is rumored to pack the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, making it perfect for gaming and heavy multitasking. And it will run on Android OS, so you'll have access to all the latest apps. And yes, with 5G support, you'll get blazing fast internet speeds. Battery backup. Battery-wise, the phone is expected to come with a 4500 mAh powerhouse, which could last 2-3 days on moderate usage, no charging anxiety here. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The BlackBerry Key 3 5G is expected to be priced around $300. As for the launch date, rumors suggest it could drop mid-2026.